Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2-3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. The hare was continually poking fun at a tortoise because of the slowness of his pace. The tortoise tried not to be annoyed by the jeers of the hare. But one day, in the presence of the other animals, he was goaded into challenging the hare to a foot race. "Why, this is a joke," said the hare. "You know that I can run circles around you." "Enough of your boasting," said the tortoise. "Let's get on with the race." So the course was set by the animals, and the fox was chosen as judge. He gave a sharp bark, and the race was on. Almost before you could say scat, the hare was out of sight. The tortoise floated along at his usual unhurried pace. After a time, the hare stopped to wait for the tortoise to come along. He waited for a long time until he began to get sleepy. "I'll just take a quick nap here in this soft grass. Then in the cool of the day I'll finish the race." So he lay down and closed his eyes. Meanwhile the tortoise floated on. He passed the sleeping hare and was approaching the finish line when the hare awoke with a start. It was too late to save the race. Much ashamed, he crept away while all the animals at the finish line acclaimed the winner. The name of the story, The Hare and the Tortoise. And the moral, slow but steady wins the race. The second story. A thirsty ant went to a spring for a drink of water. While climbing down a blade of grass to reach the spring he fell in. The ant might very well have drowned had it not been for a dove who happened to be perched in a nearby tree. Seeing the ant's danger, the dove quickly plucked off a leaf and let it drop into the water near the struggling insect. The ant climbed upon the leaf and presently was wafted safely ashore. Just at that time a hunter was spreading his net in the hope of snaring the dove. The gratified ant, perceiving the hunter's plan, beat him in the heel. Startled, the huntsman dropped his net and the dove flew away to safety. The name of the story, The Ant and the Dove. Moral, one good turn deserves another.